Welcome back to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Kimberly, ready to do a Halloween drawing today. It's a Tim Burton inspired face, so follow along for some Halloween fun. First thing we're going to do is draw a circle for the head, or you can trace an object for this. And then you're going to draw another shape, which is like a bit of a triangle right underneath that. To make sure we line up our eyes evenly, draw a little T just slightly below the middle mark on the face. And then we'll get ready for our eyes. These eyes are going to be two large circles. So make sure you space them out a little bit and make sure that the circles both touch the line. That way they'll look a little more even. And now we're going to put in just two small black dots, which are our little pupils. Make sure you erase the lines you don't need, such as the T, and then we'll move on to the nose. The nose reminds me of the letter L, but you've got to give it a little hook at the end. Draw a little line right underneath the circle to indicate where you're going to draw your mouth. You could leave it at a straight line, or you can add lips, like an M for the top and a little scoop on the bottom. Going back to the eyes, we're going to add eyelids. So draw one line over each of the eyes. This will give it a little more depth, especially if we darken it up just at the top. Help that eye look like it's going into the head. And then when you're ready, we'll add a little bit of eyelashes. Have your eyelashes coming off to the side and not all the way around. Draw in your ears and line up the top of them with the bottom of your eye. Just small little loops. Now it's time for a neck. They are long and skinny. So draw two long lines, very skinny, getting ready for the body. The top of the body is going to be like a triangle. See that? And then just two little lines off to the side from there. To make my character look really skinny, I can draw in two little hockey sticks, L's. Those are the collarbones. Remember to erase the lines you don't need. Moving on to the hair. The first place you're going to start is draw a little line to indicate where your part is. Once you have that, you can draw the outside line of your hair and the direction in which it flows, or to show how long it is. Then I'll draw the hairline closest to my face to show how long it falls, or the direction of my hair. So have all your lines come from the part. And you can see these other options I have for you. Short hair, maybe you want to do bangs and a ponytails, however it is, have those lines come from that part and not too many lines. Remember, we're trying our best to make this look like it is Tim Burton inspired, so just a few lines to indicate whether it's curly or straight or which way your hair is going. And if you want to add some extra features on the face, maybe you could add some stitches. As you can see, draw a straight line first and then a couple X's on top, and you got yourself stitches. A couple lines to finish off the body, give you a nice skinny appearance. And then let's color. Notice in my coloring, I'm going to make the under part of the hair behind my head a little bit darker. So remember to blend your colors on top of each other and add a little bit of shading. It's like I'm a live version of what you just drew. Look how little my nose is and how big my eyes are. Thank you for doing Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. Always remember you can pause the video and work at your own pace. You can subscribe to my channel and come do more videos with me. Have a happy Halloween!